Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to navigate to a destination, say like on a road trip, and teach you how to filter charging networks if you want. So that tutorial is coming up. So we're planning a trip to Disneyland from up here in NorCal in a little while. So if I just put in Disneyland as the destination with my current SOC at 82%, it thinks that we need to charge wherever this is. Let's have a peek. At Lost Hills, Tesla. So basically what I want to show you guys is how to filter. So if you want to use Tesla or you want to use a specific network, say the RAN or something, I want to show you how to do that because it was a little bit confusing. So typically you would hit the supercharger button here and then you can choose your networks. So right now I have Tesla chosen, but from what I noticed is if you choose whichever ones of these and you let it go, it basically, I don't know what the logic is in Rivian's nav, but it kind of just picks Tesla a lot. And it kind of picks the RAN a lot, but all these other ones, it doesn't really pick at all. So maybe it's because like Iona, we don't really have here in the Bay Area right now. I know they're building out their network. I think they're on the East Coast or whatever. EA is not good. Maybe they're like, oh, we don't want to do that. Anyway, so the point is you can put it here, hit it in the lightning bolt. One other thing I forgot to note was go up here to the hide button, the hide tab, and select incompatible. And that way the Tesla supercharger network like the V2s or the Urbans won't show up because we obviously can't use those and we don't want to go there. So put this setting in there as well when you're doing all this filtering. That way you get just the superchargers and chargers that you can charge at. But the other important part to basically filter the network you want to go to is that you can hit the settings button here, or you can go to this up arrow and then hit the settings button. It goes to the same place. And the important part is down here, preferred networks. So right now I have Tesla, and as you can see, it was picking a Tesla supercharger station that it thinks I need to charge at for 23 minutes to get down to Disneyland with enough juice. So if we change that, let me show you. So if I go back here to the lightning bolt, I go up here to network, and let's just say I just pick Rivian. And I go back here, it still says go charge a Tesla. So it's like, that makes no sense. I just told it to charge at Rivian. And is it showing? It's showing the Rivian ones, but it thinks I need to charge at Tesla. Maybe because there's not a Rivian one close enough. Could be that too. However, if I go down here to the settings button and we go to Rivian, hit Rivian, get rid of Tesla, you can do apply once, but I just do always use. And now it's telling me, hey, you need to charge twice at these two Rivian RAN networks because they're so, they're more spread out and whatever. So charge for a couple of shorter charges to get the same amount of juice to get down to Disneyland at 10% is what I have it set at. And that's really all there is to it for the filtering. I just want to show you this just because I feel like whatever logic they have it really set for pretty much Rivian and Tesla for some reason. So for me personally, I'm always going to go to Tesla. I know I'm not an Elon fan at all. And I would love using the RAN, but it's just Tesla's network is so much bigger and there's more stations, and I don't want to go to a RAN station where there's like six stalls when I can go to Tesla and there's like 100. So I just don't want to have to fight people. So anyways, if we go to we'll try EVgo, and also the speed is kind of important too. So I don't think EVgo around here has 150 kilowatt stations. So if we filter that and we just leave it alone, it still tells me to go to the RAN. So again, you've got to go to settings here and change this. So let's go to EVgo, do that, apply, And see, it even still tells me Tesla for some reason. So that's what I mean. It's, if you really want it, like, you have to, basically, I think it's, you need to really have a lot of those stations in the area. And preference wise, I don't know, I guess this nav really loves Tesla and Rivian. So we mess with that, it still tells me to go to Tesla. So even with the preferred network. So basically it's like, I think it's just because they're so big. So anyways, just going to use Tesla here always. Let's go back here, turn the speed back to the highest. We'll go back to Tesla here, let it do its thing. And again, it'll tell me Lost Hills is the best one with adapter needed. So you need to have the NACS to CCS1 adapter for my car. Anyway, if you have a newer Tesla, if you have a newer, 26 with the NACS, then you can just go and plug in. Also, I believe that the nav will also only navigate you to Tesla stations that are part of the whole package where we can charge, not the ones that are like V2s where only Teslas can charge at. The nav should only tell you stations that you can charge at. So just a heads up, so you don't have to worry about, oh, it's telling me this Tesla station, but I may not be able to go there. So you should be able, all the ones on here you should be able to go to. So that's all I wanted to show you guys, just how to filter, because I was having issues just trying to put it in here and it wasn't working. And it's because you need to go down to the preferences here and also select this to get it to go where you want it to go for the most part. If the network is big enough. So Tesla and Rivian, apparently are the biggest ones around here. So that's where the nav wants to take me. So anyways, hope that tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, let me know below, and thanks for watching.